Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Expert Reviews. Ever wish you could sync all your contacts with your Gmail account and never worry about losing them again? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to show you how to easily move your mobile contacts to your Google account. Let's dive in. Open your Contacts app. Whether you're using an Android or iPhone, start by opening your Contacts or Address Book app on your phone. Export or share contacts. On Android, go to your Contacts settings, select Export, and choose to export to your Google account. For iPhone users, open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and toggle on Contacts. This syncs them with iCloud and can be linked to Google later. Now back on your phone, open the Settings app. Scroll down to Accounts and tap on Google. Make sure Contacts is turned on for syncing. Check on Gmail. Open your Gmail account in a browser, go to Google Contacts, and you'll see your mobile contacts now synced with Google. Simple, right? If your contacts aren't syncing automatically, you can import them manually. Just go to Google Contacts on your desktop or browser, click Import, and upload your CSV file. And that's it. Now your contacts are safe in your Google account, ready to sync across any device. For more tips like this, check out AI Expert Review, your go-to channel for all things tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs help organizing their contacts.